بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ السلام علیکم فرینڈز، ہسٹری آف پاکستان سیریز کے اس حصے میں ہم پارٹیشن آف بنگال کے حوالے سے ایم سی کیوز کو ڈسکس کریں گے۔ ایسے ایم سی کیوز جو کہ پی پی ایس سی اور ایف پی ایس سی کے پیپرز کا بار بار حصہ رہے ہیں۔ ویڈیو شروع کرنے سے پہلے میں آپ سے ریکویسٹ کروں گا کہ اگر آپ کو میری یہ ویڈیو پسند آئے تو میرے چینل کو ضرور سبسکرائب کیجیے گا۔ آئیے ویڈیو کو شروع کرتے ہیں۔ فرسٹ ایم سی کیو ہے، ہو اناؤنسڈ دا پارٹیشن آف بنگال؟ Answer is Lord Curzon. When Lord Curzon became the Viceroy of India? Answer is 1899. When Lord Curzon announced the partition of Bengal? Answer is 16th October 1905. When Bengal was divided into two provinces? Answer is 1905. What was total population of East Bengal in 1905? Answer is 31 million. Out of total population of 31 million of Eastern Bengal, how many were Muslims? Answer is 18 million. Out of total population of 31 million of Eastern Bengal, how many were Hindus? Answer is 12 million. What was ratio between Muslims and Hindus in the so formed Eastern Bengal? Answer is 3:2. Who sent scheme of partition of Bengal to British government in February 1905? Answer is Lord Curzon. Who sanctioned the scheme of partition of Bengal? Answer is Sir John Broderick. Who was Sir John Broderick at the time of partition of Bengal? Answer is Secretary of State. Who was the first governor of East Bengal? Answer is Mr. Filler. Which was the capital of East Bengal? Answer is Dhaka. At the time of partition of Bengal, who was the leader of Muslims in East Bengal? Answer is Nawab Samiullah Khan. Who observed 16th October 1905 the partition day as a day of national mourning? Answer is Hindus. The new province of East Bengal brought happier prospects of political and economic life for the? Answer is Muslims. Which city became the center point of agitation of Hindus against the partition of Bengal? Answer is Kolkata. When Muslim accepted the government's decision of partition of Bengal? Answer is 22nd October 1905. Under whose leadership a Hindu delegation went to England to protest against the partition of Bengal? Answer is G. K. Gokhale. Name the movement started by the Hindus against anti-partition of Bengal started? Answer is Swadeshi movement. Who agitated for the annulment of the partition of Bengal? Answer is Congress Hindu. In June 1911, which member of the Viceroy Council made a proposal for the reversal of the partition of Bengal? Answer is Sir John Jenkins. Who left the politics after the cancellation of the partition of Bengal? Answer is Nawab Samiullah Khan. When partition of Bengal was annulled? Answer is 1911. Who made the announcement of annulment of Bengal in 1911? Answer is George V. Where George V made the announcement of annulment of Bengal partition? Answer is at his coronation darbar in Delhi. Who wrote a series of editorials in the journal The Comrade condemning the annulment? Answer is Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar. Who criticized the annulment of partition of Bengal? Answer is Lord Minto. ویورز، اگر آپ کو میری یہ ویڈیو اچھی لگی یا آپ کو میری ویڈیو سے فائدہ پہنچا تو کائنڈلی میرے چینل کو ضرور سبسکرائب کیجیے گا۔ بیسٹ آف لک فار یور ایگزام۔ اپنا بہت سارا خیال رکھیے گا، مجھے دعاؤں میں یاد رکھیے گا۔ اللہ حافظ۔